Are you looking for a new hardwood flooring for your home or office? Do you want to enhance the beauty and value of your property with a durable and elegant flooring option? If you answered yes, then you need to contact us, the experts in hardwood flooring installation and refinishing in Englewood, Colorado. Hardwood floor. Englewood, Colorado has been serving the Englewood community several decades, providing high-quality hardwood flooring services at affordable prices. We have a team of skilled and experienced craftsmen who can handle any project, big or small, with professionalism and attention to detail. We use only the best materials and equipment to ensure that your hardwood flooring is installed or refinished to your satisfaction. What sets us apart from other hardwood flooring companies in Englewood? Here are some of the unique features that make us the best choice for your hardwood flooring needs. We offer free estimates and consultations so you can get a clear idea of what your project will cost and how long it will take. We have a wide range of hardwood flooring options to suit your style and budget, from solid to engineered, from pre-finished to unfinished, from domestic to exotic. We have a dustless sanding system that minimizes the mess and disruption caused by traditional sanding methods. We have a limited warranty on our workmanship, so you can rest assured that your hardwood flooring will last for years to come. Don't wait any longer to get the hardwood flooring of your dreams. Contact us today and let us transform your space with our expertise and passion. Visit our website at below or call us at the number on our website to schedule your free estimate and consultation. Simply the best hardwood flooring company in Englewood.